Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a 100% client-side React tool, a single page application for removing your background directly in React.js. So this is the full directory structure. If you're interested this, I have given the link in the description. You can directly purchase the full source code. And let me show you the package.json file. We are using the latest React project, React version. We are also using ONX runtime web, which is actually a model for removing the background. We are running this project locally right here, and the interface looks quite simple. Simply refresh the application. Here you simply select multiple images for which you want to remove the background, and for this we are using some kind of AI models directly in the browser. So we have loaded this model. We've integrated this inside this React project. It's a single page application. There is no backend to it. It's 100% fully runs on the client side. It will process each image and then remove the background. So once it completes, it will show you the output right here. And for this, we are using this web GPU model directly in the browser for detecting the background and removing it. So this actually is built in inside the browser web GPU. So now you will see the background is successfully removed. You can customize the background with a customized color. You can even put a different background image as well. So all the options are there. So if you're interested in this project, the link is given in the description. You can even download the image as well. So the output image. So you can just see the quality here. The output image looks quite good. For some images it will take some more time, so you just need to wait for some time. So you can see the output looks really good. The so it uses these models right here, web GPU RMBG. So we have used this for building out this bulk image background removal application in React.js. So if you're interested in this, you can purchase this source code. It will save you a lot of time because it's a fully fledged project. So if you're looking forward for a React project for image background removal, you can purchase this project.